Morning everybody, welcome back to the MecadMinute. My name is Wian and today I'm going to show you how useful the selection tool is. As you can see, we have a lot of surfaces here on this specific part. And what happens if you select all these surfaces, it takes a while even on more complex parts, and you accidentally select out of the selection. So we're just going to right click and we're going to say previous selection. And it's as easy as that. Okay, so now we can even save this selection. We're going to go to right click on it. We're going to go to selection tools, save selection, and new selection set. And on the left hand side, you'll see that it creates a new folder for us. Every time I select this, it will select those saved selections. Okay, so now I can just easily go and create our fillets. This is especially useful if you use these surfaces a lot or the selections a lot. As you can see, it is automatically selecting everything for me. And then we can go ahead and apply these fillets. Now this is really useful, like I said, in much more complex parts. And let's change this to 0.5. And there we go. Quick and easy. Thank you guys for watching.